Which of the following will decrease the number of effective collisions during a chemical reaction? Well, starting off with adding a catalyst, that provides us with an alternate energy pathway. It basically allows us to bring things together and use less energy for them to collide, therefore making more collisions effective. So we can automatically eliminate that one. Increasing reactant concentrations just increases the number of things that are available. So if there's more things available, odds are you're going to have more effective collisions. So that's not as likely. Increasing the surface area again increases the number of possible places where we can react. If you think of a sugar cube and granulated sugar, the sugar cube, you can only react what is on the very surface, leaving everything else inside untouched. The granulated sugar are little versions of that with a lot more available surface to react on. So you're going to increase the number of possible effective collisions by increasing surface areas. So it's not that one. Decreasing the temperature is pretty much the only one we can work with in this situation, because when we decrease the temperature, we take away some of the energy available. Particles move slower so that we have fewer of them colliding. They're not moving as fast. And even when they do collide, there's less energy in the collision, making a successful collision less likely.